Hi everyone, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to never miss a video from the Chelsea Flower Show 2024. The best information and stunning visuals will be available on our channel. Follow and support us. A former lifeboat which served Eastbourne's RNLI was part of a gold-winning display at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show. The former D-class lifeboat Lawrence and Percy Hobbs was part of Sheringham in Norfolk's display for the show. The lifeboat was part of the relief fleet in the RNLI, going to stations that needed a boat for cover whilst their boat was away for maintenance, but now has found a new role as part of the garden display at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show. Whilst on station with Eastbourne, the Lawrence and Percy Hobbs launched 774 times, aiding 308 people and credited with saving 11 lives. The gold medal winning display also features the yellow with courage rose bred for the 200th anniversary of the RNLI by Peter Beales Roses nursery manager Ian Limmer, whose grandfather served with Sheringham Lifeboat Station. The display secured Ian Limmer and the Peter Beales Roses team their 29th Gold Award.